Creating a vegetable patch at home is super easy. Here are 7 tips to help you make a veggie garden. Choose a sunny spot to start your garden. Add compost and aged manure to give your plants the fuel they'll need. Prepare your winter garden by Mother's Day. For a spring and summer garden, aim to finish by Father's Day. Grow things that you should eat a lot of. Leafy greens like kale, lettuce and spinach, as well as herbs, are perfect to ensure you get the most from your garden. If you want to try something different, plant edible flowers. This is a fun way to get your kids involved. Make sure you give your garden the care it needs by watering and feeding it as required. Finally, remember to start small. Don't burden yourself by starting big. Enjoy the process and get started today.